Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command and simply press enter. Then type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib c:/boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Type in ren c:/boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.